Ka Skul Saint Peter and Paul Mawkisyiem sora hakah riu tarik menta ubenai kala Rakhe ya ka jingdap sanpos nam ka jing syakri jong ka Skul ban pen priang ya ka jing nang jing start hakeleng saudong jong ka teka than nadu ka snam khat khandai spa nyau pausan. Hakani ka jing Rakhe lawan ban Jingshongkun do sembut menteri rangba ka jela ba Preston tensong rengkat menteri ka tenat puli puthi ka jela ba Lakman Rumbui MLA ka sora ba Gavin Malem MLA ka Shala ba Balajit Sinram MDC ka sora ba Titos Khan Sister Smitha Provincial SD Assistant Parish Priest ka sora Parish Padar Henry Warba kinong yalam shnong bat ki kemi ki kpa jong ki khana Skul. Habakran kumu kongsan usembut menteri rangba ula ai ka jingero ya Khubor bapenya jong ka Skul ki balala ban ai ka jing syakri ka bapaka tam e hakini kisan posnam na ka benta ka shnong Mawkisyiem bat ki shnong ba marjan. Usembut kongsan pat ula ai khuble ya kani ka Skul ka balala ban ai ka jing syakri ka bapaka tam hakini kisan posnam ban pen priang ya ka jing nang jing sta cheki nong shong shnong ka than. Ka Sister Provincial Sister Smitha SD hakajing kran kalaong bakajing Rakhe dap sanpos nam kamdai tang unambar ndrei kedai kadak pasena kajing lenti habaro kilyang kajaka pulie kinong hikai ki khna Skul bat baro kinong kersan jong Skul na kalian Khubor penyat Skul kilapun ko buram ru ya ka Sister Provincial kabala Rakhe lang ya kajing dap sanpos nam kajing long riunyang
ngasngau bangadai ban ai ka burom ka bakrau ya kan ka mission ka bamenta ka ji syakri kalong san posnet Saint Peter and Paul. When we go back to the name of Saint Peter and Paul, the name of the school itself is so meaningful. We all know as Christians who is Peter and also who is Paul. Ka kerteng jong ka Skul. Peter and Paul. Haka Holy Bible. Kalong ka ba ay mensim sibune. Yangi. Kikon ki Jubilee. Haka jing penyat ya ka mission but hakajing penyadru ya kata ka vision kabakini ki angut ki riu krau ki riu bleng kila IT hakajuk but ka generation ka jongi tetang si kentin ar kentin kabangakwa ban ong na kanigapor ya ka school management ka sorkar kam thia kam den ban walk out ya ki policy tray kam hakabe day bat ka education sector ngakwa ban ya thu ya pi da ka jing tray sitom jong i marumbui kum minister bapet ya kanika tenat kabadon kam hadu kata-kata ka jela ka jumi ilapoy ka final stage ya ka binglasim ya ka policy jong ka rationalization ka biniong don ki Skul kibabon kinong hikai banyaki kena Skul ngi na kasorka ngila sim ya karai ka baskem baya ke bakum kita ngimban si bangi hap ban ong ya ki batin dai ban thang
Ni perkhat ya ke mangirangkan ya di Skul ngidangkan ya ginahikai Nginangkam yang inahikai ki babiang katung kadang pemerintah, nginangkam ki kena ki badokro batin yo ya ke jingarap. Ngi address ya kine. Bang nginangkam ru ya ki college. Habarok ki jaka. Den takadaw. Hadu aja katra dan tang riu tu li government college sepok ke Meghalaya. Hadu aja apu prangan ong epi kindan kendai tu. Kindan kendai tu. Babaro ki college ki balok yo jingarap bun bah Shillong. Hangrai hakan sekarang MDA. Kilayo kelem ban yarap. Nang om balabiang. Ngin hap ban lebon. Badai tang ning sarkar ngilayo yang engineering college. Ngilayo yang lakajam university. Handai ngin nom judge ba Shibet dang lay pai kin ong marmu education minister la ai tu merendam ho ai ayu. Sister, that will be the thing that every will talk. I will not commit anything, but we are working into the policy, how to improve the infrastructure, how to help the schools, the government schools, and how to help the schools which does not run by the government. And as I said time and again, we have made a commitment that this government, we will try to bring a structured granulate or salary, as the case you may call, before Christmas. But I'm sure that we will do that. We will be able to do that. Because on 30th of October, when Honorable Deputy Chinsel also was there, Honorable Chinsel promised, Honorable Deputy Chinsel also was there, Honorable Chinsel promised in Shillong Polytechnic, in Shillong Engineering College, that before Christmas, he will release the scholarship. And we have done that. And we will do this. I know we will not able to satisfy everybody's need. Ginang laban penhun ya baro, handai will apply ngin persyampan address ya kajie jom ginohika. Dan takadaw, I have received your memorandum. We will consider at appropriate time. But as of today, I'm very thankful to you for having invited me, having seen the condition of the school, having seen the energy of the student in them when they are performing, but having seen the unity with the alumni, the present student, the former teachers and the present teachers, and I wish that the government of Meghalaya in the years to come will try to do more for the benefit, or not for your benefit, but for the benefit of the community which are safe in this part of the state. With this word, thank you very much. God bless.
My profound respect to the spirit-filled valiant pioneers who were passionate for humanity. Their one courageous step in 1975 has tremendous impact on the people of this area. It is the education that brings about development change in human thinking, attitudes, and values. It is an honor to stand here today as we celebrate the 50 glorious years of enlightenment, excellence, and service. 50 years, a golden milestone, is not just a number. It is a testament to the vision of the founders, the dedication of the faculty, the perseverance of the students, and the unwavering support of the community. From the very first brick laid, this institution has nurtured generations, shaping minds and hearts with knowledge, values, and compassion. Over 5 decades, St. Peter and Paul School has produced leaders in different capacities, serving the society diligently, I believe.
Ternyata silang harga kita.
Thank you.